guys, I wanted to do a follow-up video on the valve clearance I did. I clearanced it to the specs I found online, which happened to be incorrect. I went back and looked at the manual as the valves were chattering pretty good, and found that this spec should be used on both the intake and exhaust valves. So I re-clearanced them to this, and as you can hear, the bike sounds pretty good. You're gonna get some of that ticking with these smaller engines anyway, and this is a 2003, so I'm sure the valves aren't in perfect condition, but it sounds a million times better now that I've re-clearanced them to this spec. I'll insert a screenshot here of the manual that I found, and this is for the older model years. What I ended up doing was finding a post and didn't read too far into it, and it was for the newer KLXs, so the newer 110s. So I clearanced them. The bike's running a million times better, and I figured I would just post a follow-up video so you guys could get the clarification if you have an older bike like me. So thanks for watching again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and give me some feedback.